Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today is just me catching up on what I'm doing. I didn't do any reading vlog this week because I started writing a little bit. Not as much as I want to, but I did start writing a little bit, so I'm so happy about that. But what I am going to talk about is, I got some stuff in the mail and non-book related, but it's gonna go on to the topic that I want to talk about first. So I got some washi tape and I am going to be using this for my journal. So this is a lot. Tons. It's about 20. So packs of 10 washi, and then I have, what do I have now? I think I bought stamps. Oh yeah, and I bought some stamps, and it's basically summer themed stamps. So you have lemonade, sweetest wishes, I'm not sure what this one says because I cannot, but it has all these like vegetable fruits. That is more of what is summer related. So what's that coming towards? I am going to be posting another round of a journal move, but it is a summer edition. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you definitely have seen this before and have opportunity to enter the word of the day. Unfortunately, I think this video is going to be out after the entry is over because I'm going to have the calendar out by Sunday, and it will give you 31 words, and which is mostly going to be from people who submitted the word of the day that they want for August. So if you are new to my channel, this is a journal challenge that I do, I would say quarterly, and I journal every day. I've been journaling every day since October 1st, but I host this challenge to get people involved in journaling. So each day there's a word and you're going to journal about that word, and it is your private space, so you can write whatever you want. Only thing is you do share like a picture of you writing or a video on your Insta story of you writing, or last time I did this, some people did it on YouTube as well. So whatever creative avenue you want, but majority of people is going to be Instagram. So you don't have to share what you write, but just show like you're writing. If you've been on my Insta story, you'll get an idea of what I mean, because I don't share what I write, but I do video every day, a clip of me writing in my journal. And if you've seen my reading vlog, you've also seen me do that as well. So it is going to be for the entire month of August, and I encourage you to go on my Instagram and participate. It is fun, and it's also a healthy way to express yourself during this difficult time. We know 2020 is just a really rough year, and there's so much we want to unleash in words, and I think journal is the best way to do it. So join me over there. Now, what am I reading? So these are the last two books I intend on reading for the rest of the year, rest of the month. So for Gen 2, which is the read along for Read So Lit, that's hosted by Dee Dee from Bronco Reading, I'm a little behind, but this is the focus for the weekend, and I am determined to finish this book by Monday. That's what I'm giving myself, Monday. Hopefully before, because the next book is a chunker, and I already started this. So this is Wives and Daughters by Elizabeth Gaskell, and this is a classic. I saw the mini-series on this many years ago, quite a few years ago, and I remember enjoying it. And so I started this, and I'm literally like 72 pages in, and it started bringing feels back. But what I would say is, the ministry series, the father, well, if you didn't know, this is a story about a doctor and his daughter, and the daughter is the center of the story. Molly is, her mother died when she was about 3, so she doesn't have any women figure in her life, but her father is her world, and he's an overworked doctor, so he's frequently away from her, and he's, you know, you can see the love with them. Now in the miniseries, he came off very naive and the sweetest thing ever, but when I'm reading this, I actually like how he's portrayed more in the book, because he just seemed like that father that will cut you if you mess with his daughter. No nonsense, not having it. To me, it's a little bit, the book, he seemed more aggressive than the miniseries, where I felt like he was very timid. I mean, there's just one particular incident which is already happened in the book, that he seemed, it was a little bit more like, don't mess with my Molly kind of deal. But this one, I feel, in the book, he seems to me more like no nonsense kind of father. And so I like it so far, the book version of it so far. So I want to finish this after I finish it, so this is like what I'm going to focus on for the rest of the month. I have quite a few days, and if this is all I'm reading, I should be able to finish, even though, I'll be honest with you, the font on this is tiny as hell. But, you know, the goal is to finish it by the end of the month. But if it don't, you know, I won't be mad about it, because this is a chunker, and the font is small. But I'm 72 pages in, and I think I can do this. So anyway, this is all I'm gonna do. So right now I am going to do some journaling and cook some food and enjoy the rest of the day, guys. It is a little hot, but it's not as humid as it was a few days ago. I don't know about your area, if the weather was awful, but it's been hot here. But I try not to complain, because I take a hot over freezing cold snow day. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.